Hi there, Alex and Deanna here. Finally ready to get back on the road. It's been a long cold winter, and we're all packed and ready to head east.
And if you remember, our last video actually from last year was midway, not even midway, 10 days into our trip when Alex got sick and we had to turn back. So this time we're hoping to get to the East Coast and spend 3-4 months there uninterrupted. All packed.
I'll try.
All packed with a lot of drugs and other stuff, medicines, and for enough for 3-4 months and everything else.
So part of this video will be something we did earlier a couple of days ago about loading up the trunk, the back of the van, and Deanna's now going to walk you through her domain, which is how we've packed most of a 3-bedroom house into this van. So we have enough.
And really, last year there are quite a few changes from last year. We packed a lot more this time, all kind of weather from 0 to 30 degrees Celsius. So
yeah, and the reason we pack more is because we are heading make it as far as we want. We're going to be in Newfoundland, and in Newfoundland, even in the summer, the weather is very changeable. So,
and it rains a lot, so we have a lot of reindeer,
and it doesn't get that warm. So we have more cooler weather clothing, and that's a lot of the extra we brought. Although Deanna's been cooking since December. And freezing things, so we have enough food with us.
Not enough December, but
yeah, we have enough food with us, frozen or whatever, for a couple of weeks. After which, we're going to have to find a store. I wonder, are there any stores on the East Coast?
I don't know.
Okay.
You don't?
So, cut to Deanna leading us around.
So starting from the back, there is something new here. This is our day cover that has been here always, but under it we actually found a mattress topper about 2 inches that fits on our couch, and I've put fitted sheet on it so it's ready to sleep, and over it it's our day cover, so everything stays on the couch. Then these 2 pouches are the one that we use at night. Put glasses, phones, Kleenex, what have you. Then this corner here, this is our bedding as usual, the quite thick duvets and pillows and everything. This is actually chips and other food for the road. This bag, when we sleep, goes down under. The cabinets, this is the cabinet with Alex's clothes. This here, I have hairdryer which is fallen. The hairdryer we used to blow away the bugs. Oh yeah, a little fan that clips here for Alex's comfort at night. There's some spare food, curtain from the back, and the blackouts too. Some additional paper towel. At this corner here, my clothes, and this is what we call the overflow corner. We have some backpacks since we will be taking a ferry and I will be flying to Newfoundland. The backpacks for that, some warmer clothes, additional towels, yeah, that's about it here. Then there is the pantry. The pantry is full of some canned food and coffee and tea, popcorn, and Alex's Triscuits. He loves his Triscuits with cheese, which is in the fridge.
And the top shelf is mine
Yeah,
for the camera equipment.
Is out. Then it's the freezer and the fridge. The fridge has some food already, all the food that we'll be taking, cheeses, what have you, and chocolates, lots of them. And the freezer. Boy, this freezer is big. I have a freezer downstairs. We fit everything here, and it's deep, so it fit food for probably 14 days or so. Okay, here we actually got rid of the toaster we bought last year and got a toaster oven that fits nicely, and our plates and bowls are all here. The next one is toiletry. We have some of Alex's cereal, but mainly toiletry. Something new we have is on this door of the toilet. A lot of people attach inside. We don't find a lot of space inside, so we attach this outside. And it fits quite a lot of things, actually. All the towels, some of my shoes. Oh, even COVID test we have here.
Lightweight rain pants and rain jacket. All right.
The drawers here, they're more or less the same like last year. We have
Kitchen utensils.
everything, drawer, kitchen utensils, and everything else that doesn't fit elsewhere. Here we have some soup, pasta, canned food, and our pans and pots are here. Our spice rack, it's also, everything is fit in this beer holder, so they don't rattle. Down here is my step stool, shoes.
So I'll just do this. One of the new additions is this hanging rack here. So if we have wet clothes or whatever, we can hang them here to drip. Now we're gonna pass each other by.
We have the two chairs that we usually use, and actually aside from this board there are two tables here. One is I use mainly inside, but also it's good for outside, and one is in between the chairs.
Portable folding tables.
For outside.
Yeah, we've replaced the heavy-duty Coachmen window and driver passenger side shades with something that's less heavy, less cumbersome, and a little smaller.
At front, of course, a lot of masks. Still, with Alex being immunocompromised, we will be very careful. Even places where people don't wear masks, we will have to wear masks all the time. So we have quite a few there. And here, at the moment, there is toilet paper behind, my glasses, and some documentation.
Yeah, that's about it.